Why is nobody talking about how an Igbo lady became the first Nigerian female Brigadier General in the US Army? Brigadier-General Amanda Azubuike made history as the first Nigerian female to attain the rank of Brigadier General in the US Army. Born in London to a Nigerian father of Igbo descent and a Zimbabwean mother, she later moved to the United States where she became a citizen in 1989. Her military career began after earning a communications degree from the University of Central Arkansas in 1993. She joined the US Army in 1994, becoming a helicopter pilot before transitioning into leadership roles. Over 3 decades, she held key positions, including Deputy Commanding Officer of the US Army Cadet Command and Senior Military Advisor to the Pentagon. Her promotion marks a significant milestone for women, especially Nigerians and Black women in the military, showcasing resilience, excellence, and breaking barriers in a male-dominated field. Tell me in the comments if we have women like this in the Nigerian military.